Namaste Hyderabad. Hope you are doing good. Friends, I have made few videos earlier on development of Hyderabad, East Hyderabad, West Hyderabad. But मैंने आज सोचा कि एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है जो मुझे कवर करना चाहिए, वो है रियल स्टेट में अप्रूवल्स के ऊपर. So basically when we talk about approvals, everyone asking on RERA approvals. So yes, RERA is very much important. So being a RERA certified consultant, I thought चलो एक वीडियो इसके ऊपर भी बनाना चाहिए. सो रेरा जिसका फुल फॉर्म है रियल स्टेट रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी. सो फ्रेंड्स, इट्स अ गवर्नमेंट बॉडी विच एस्टेब्लिश्ड टू रेगुलेट रियल स्टेट सेक्टर एंड प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ होम बायर. सो फ्रेंड्स, इट इज़ मैंडेटरी फॉर रियल स्टेट प्रोजेक्ट टू रजिस्टर विथ रेरा बिफोर द प्रोजेक्ट कैन बी मार्केटेड. सो फ्रेंड्स, इफ आई वांट टू टॉक ऑन बेनिफिट ऑफ रेरा टू अ होम बायर, बिल्डर and to a consultant. So past में पहले कैसे होता था, if someone want to invest some money, they are preferring gold and other instrument rather than real estate, because due to litigation, some compliances, approval. So generally लोग डरते थे रियल स्टेट में लगाने के लिए, though they are investing, but still most of the cases people are insecure about investing in real estate. And but right now I have seen there is a shift. Like people are very much confident and the first preference is real estate. It is because there are many approval in place. Like अगर आप देखेंगे तो भी HMDA है, RERA है. So the buyer is also very much confident. They are just checking the RERA approvals and they are buying the property. So there is a shift in investment pattern of investors also. If I talk about home buyer, जो लोग एवरी 2 years 3 year में कुछ ना कुछ घर लेते रहते हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट करते रहते हैं, दे आर कॉन्फिडेंट, दे नो व्हाट टू आस्क, व्हाट नॉट टू आस्क एंड वेयर टू चेक. बट जो फर्स्ट टाइम घर ले रहा है उसको कुछ भी नहीं पता, क्या पूछना चाहिए, क्या अप्रूवल देखना चाहिए. बट द रेरा केम इन टू प्लेस. राइट नाउ द फर्स्ट होम बायर इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट. दे नो कि रेरा अगर अप्रूव्ड है सो दे कैन बाय दैट प्रॉपर्टी. इसका मतलब प्रॉपर्टी भी क्लियर है, it is RERA certified, so it is giving a edge to the home buyer to buy any property, whether he's a first time or he's an experienced one. Now if I talk about the builder, the best thing happened because right now if the RERA number is there, the builder is very much confident to pitch his property to anyone, not to explain much on compliance and everything, because this is showing sir this is RERA approved. So the buyer is also getting a confidence that yes, I can buy this property if it is in my budget. And right now if I talk about my personal experience as a RERA certified consultant, it is very good because I am able to build a trust with my clients who keep investing through me. So they know which property I pick, which property I don't pitch. So they know everything. So it's giving a edge to me of my selection and everything. So yeah, it is very good if you are RERA certified consultant. And I also advise everyone to please see the RERA numbers and other compliances before investing your hard earned money in any property. Thank you, stay tuned, and I will keep you updated with more topic like this. Thank you.